Are you planning an event and maybe you're a little concerned that the human-to-human connection, the networking that's going to take place isn't going to be fantastic, and you're worried that the people who attend your event are going to be disappointed? Well, don't leave the networking as a second-tier priority. If your networking is a second-tier priority, you're always going to have second-tier results. Now, conferences have changed a lot in the last few years, and everything that went on around the COVID lockdowns, we learned that you can deliver great content using virtual platforms. However, the networking, those serendipitous hallway conversations, those impromptu chats that happen in the hotel bar, those have been really hard to duplicate in a virtual situation. So as we get back to live in-person events, people are really excited about getting together, making connections within their industry, because we all know that all opportunities in life come from people, and those who create the best networks always seem to get more opportunities than everybody else. So if you're planning an event, you can't leave the networking to chance. This is why you want to make sure that every speaker who you hire is on board with helping you create a culture for connection. And you might want to think about hiring me, the conference catalyst. For many years, I've been working with meeting planners to help set the groundwork, to give people permission to be able to get out of their comfort zone and talk to more people during every coffee break, every meal, heck, everywhere when they're participating in your conference. You know, human connection matters more than ever. And as we get past the whole craziness of the pandemic, there are a lot of people who are going to really make some great new contacts with people and reconnect with people in their industry who they used to know. And those are the people who are going to have an advantage over everybody else. Those who say, oh, well, you know, we can get by with just our digital networking, or that somehow a like, a link, a share, and a follow is all that's needed, I think they're short-sighted. I think if you're planning an event, you have to do everything that you can to get people excited and engaged to be part of the experience of being on site and participating in the event. I have a lot of ideas of how I can help you do that, and I'm always willing to have a conversation, because maybe I'm not the right speaker, or maybe I'm not the right master of ceremonies for your event, but the ideas still might work. And heck, if we have a conversation, maybe I am the right person to make sure that you have the best event ever.